A new energy-heavy truck, all the core functions are all concentrated in a small screen. Let's see the differences from a conventional diesel truck. This is the central control screen of our StarWay heavy-duty truck. The home screen shows commonly used info, including time, energy consumption, smart assistant, driving data, and navigation. The air conditioning page has a simple on or off switch. Slide vertically to adjust temperature and horizontally for airflow. You can also select air vent positions here. Let's move to the vehicle control menu. In common settings, adjust modes for different loads to optimize energy use and power performance. Lighting controls include front and rear fog lights, plus rear work lights for flexible use. In body control, we can use the heated side mirrors in severe cold weather, and you can activate the PTO during unloading. Within driving controls, we can select different driving assistance functions in accordance with varying road conditions and weather. The charging page shows current battery level and remaining range. Battery preheating and pre-cooling are available on demand. The vehicle status page displays wear of the brake shoes. The main menu offers driver assistance settings, vehicle controls, and entertainment features like music and videos. Besides the touchscreen, physical buttons are also retained. The hill descent control helps stabilize speed on long downhill roads. This is the air horn switch. When enabled, the air horn sounds louder than a regular electric horn. Press the cab tilt button, then use the access port to tilt the cab. The two leftmost buttons control door locks for extra safety. Now you have a clear idea of the button and system functions of our StarWay heavy-duty truck.